Hi guys, welcome to our channel AHC Clay Collections. Today I'm going to show you how I made these simple marble pattern earrings. We need materials like slicer blade, paintbrush, gold leaf flakes, acrylic paint, preferably heavy body paint. I took white here. I am using this beautiful mint green colored clay. After slight conditioning the clay, make a block. Slice it into small pieces using slicer blade. Separate all pieces and arrange them like this on some work surface. Here I used small ceramic tile which will be easier to clean. Mix acrylic paint with brush all over the pieces like this, or you can mix it with hands wearing gloves. It will take some time to do this. After that, let the paint dry to touch. Wait for some time. I used a portable fan to slightly speed up the process. Now add gold flakes and mix all and form a block. Shape it with acrylic block by pressing like this. So sliced pieces will be in proper shape. Now slice pieces uniformly and align them to form a sheet. See how I am keeping my blade perpendicular to surface while slicing. Use acrylic roller to flatten it and run into pasta machine on your preferred thickest setting. See how the white paint is showing up as we roll it further. After rolling it using pasta machine, I kept the sheet on tile to cut. Cut into preferred shapes using sharp cutters, otherwise sanding work will be more. I press the cutter into clay with acrylic block. It will help me with uniformity when cutting. Now I will bake these pieces on this tile itself without transferring them to separate tray. Shapes will not be distorted in this way. I usually bake longer when I use tile. Always keep a test piece to check if the clay is baked. If your test piece breaks, you need to bake for more time. If it is unbreakable and bendable, it's baked correctly. Transfer baked pieces onto silicone mat whenever you want to put resin. This is optional, but I like to resin these. I'm using epoxy resin here. I don't like to put UV resin because bad quality UV resin can become yellow over time. But if you can source good quality UV resin, you can use it. It will save you plenty of time. The epoxy which I am using is non-alloying type. UV resin is very easy to use compared to epoxy, but I am pretty much habituated to use epoxy. It really depends on how you like the final piece. You can also use varnish. I will use varnish also in other projects. I will make a video for that later. By the way, I am using silicone stick to put resin. I find it easier. Carefully resin all pieces and remove air bubbles. Then wait for at least a day for epoxy to cure. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more jewelry making content. Let me know what you think of these in comments.